Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be very special. It's going to be a review on the camera from YOVIVE, and this is a really cool camera that I came across on Amazon. I decided to make a video about it, and this video is sponsored by YOVIVE. Obviously that information is needed for you guys to know, of course, but since I'm doing a sponsored video, I will be doing a PayPal giveaway on Sunday on my live stream, so if you guys want to check that out, be sure to do it. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. The box itself makes the product look a lot more professional because of the color of the box and the contents inside of it. Not only does the box come with the camera and instructions, but also comes with tons of dongles just for the camera itself. Now that's pretty cool and pretty decent of them to add. Many of these companies just usually add a charging cable, but they added a charging cable and as well as a small 3-inch metal braided cable, which is pretty cool. They also have a 20% off coupon inside the box, so your next purchase on a camera can cost less thanks to that coupon. So there's going to be some awesome features I want to show you guys throughout the video, so stay tuned for those. Now let's get on to the main piece of this video. So it's the camera. Now this camera does record 1080p, 720, and multiple other resolutions that come equipped with this camera. Now this camera does have a small battery which should last you around 2 hours. Now also rocks expandable storage, so you guys can put an SD card in and put as much data onto it as you want, as well as you can connect to your phone and save this stuff there. This camera also comes equipped with night mode. That's why you see purple lights on the side. That's because night mode is activated. You guys can turn that off in the settings app, which I'll show you in a second. Alright guys, so what you guys want to do to turn this thing on is tap the on button once. You guys will see the green and blue light flash. Don't touch the mode button. It basically resets it if you hold it down for 5 seconds, so please don't do that. Next, what you guys want to do is launch the application. Now if you guys don't know what it's called, look on the screen. You guys will see it. The link in the description will also be down below, or you guys can just go into the instructions of this camera and check it out for yourself. Go ahead and click add, and once you click add, you guys are going to be greeted by 3 options: connect to Wi-Fi, connect online, and all these other options. So click the bottom option. Then what you guys want to do is go ahead and connect to your device and go all the way to Wi-Fi in your settings tab. Then click on the random number ones. You guys can tell because it's going to say CM like cam, and then it's going to say a bunch of numbers. You guys can tell. Once you click that, and once it's officially connected, what you guys want to do is go back to the application. It's going to say something like new camera found. Would you like to connect? Click OK. Then if it says failed to connect or something like that, just click the refresh option, which is towards the right. Then once you're inside, click OK, click connect, and it should appear like that on the screen. So as you guys can see, the connection was successful, and you guys are now able to see my face through the camera. Now this is pretty cool, and I'm going to be showing you guys some of the options that they do have on this camera. So one of the best features I found on this camera is the option to listen in on the conversation. So what's cool about this is if you feel someone's talking bad about you, just leave this little camera in the area. They won't even notice it since it's small portability, and you can listen to their conversation. Not only can you do that, but you can also turn on night mode, which is specifically for those times when you have low light in the area, but it actually does work, and of course I have tested it out. Now you can also change the brightness on this camera, and all this is controlled simply by your smartphone or PC, which is very versatile. For example, if you have the camera backwards, you're able to change the angle of the camera simply by clicking a button. So this camera does have that feature built into it, which is really cool, so you can never actually have the camera back. Now that's basically it for this quick review, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. Now my rating for this camera is a 9 out of 10, simply being it's very affordable, low price, easy to use, and comes with all the stuff you need in order to have a safe environment. Now a couple things I would improve about this product. Number one is probably the battery life. The battery doesn't last really long, and lastly, I've had some issues with the application. Now it has crashed on me like 2 or 3 times, and at first I had a connection issue with the camera, but other than that, guys, this is a really solid camera, good for the money. It's even cheaper than all these select cameras from big companies that charge you money in order to see your video footage online. So that's what's really good about this company. Hope you guys did enjoy this review. Please leave a like down below, and if I can improve anything, please let me know down in the comment section below. Have a great day, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.